How to return your Shein items. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your Shein account. After that, click on this option of mail at the top left hand side corner. Simply click on it. After that, you need to select the option of orders, and there at the bottom you would be able to find the option of return item. Simply click on return item, then select the item that you want to return, and also you need to give a reason why you are returning that particular item. Then select the refund method that you are looking to use in order to get the amount of money that you paid for that particular product. And after that, you need to select either post office or UPS store. Then just simply click on submit, and this way you would be able to submit the return request on Shein. Now Shein will verify the purchase of that particular item from the seller itself, and this way they will tell you whether that particular item is returnable or not, whether it is eligible to return or not, and this way you would be able to return the item. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.